Good morning, the day of the great race. My first time representing my club, probably 7, 8 years. Excited, a little nervous too. I'm running from the Oak Meadows Park where I parked to the start line where I can pick up my bib number. This is actually part of the last mile of the course. As we can see, we have the mile 3 marker here, and we'll make a right turn, cross the narrow bridge, and then we'll be home free for the last mile. Unfortunately, I didn't get the footage at the end of the race. I actually made the wrong turn and lost a few seconds. Here's where we can pick up a bib number. It's very efficient. Even though it's a small race, the bib has chip. And we'll get chip timing. It's still just after 7 o'clock, so there are not that many runners yet, but they're all coming. There are a lot of very good club runners. And I'm heading to meet my running club, the West Valley Joggers and Striders. We got our own tent. It's about time. It's about 8:20 and I'm heading to the start. There was a 1 mile race primarily for the kids. They already finished. They started at 8:10. Now it's 8:20. Most of the runners finished. A few might still be out there and we can watch the finish. Before the pandemic, the Great Race used to start in downtown Saratoga and will go all the way up Highway 9, very straight, a little bit uphill, and then primarily downhill for the last 3, maybe 2.5 miles. That course is very nice. This one is a little windy and a little hilly. We're all up there at the start line. The race is about to start. Here we go. But the start a little crowded, but all the runners are starting really fast. You can take a look at the little kid there in yellow. Amazing runner, only 9 years old, and he beat me by a lot. There are actually a few young runners running really well in this race, but the one in yellow certainly is the one to beat. You can also see that there are a lot of very good women runners in this race. And you can see that the 4 runners ahead of me, they're all women. Weather is pretty good today. I have to say it was very warm last few days, but it is relatively cooler today. maybe high 50s, low 60s, cloudy, no sun, just about perfect. Did I say the course is a little hilly? Maybe relatively speaking, but the first hill is here, just after half a mile. Not very long, but you know, maybe a little steep. The runner in the white singlet and half tight, I passed him in the middle. Unfortunately, when I made the wrong turn just after mile 3, I had to make a quick U-turn back to the course. Maybe lost a few seconds and he passed me back again. There are lots of turns in this course. Some are even 180-degree U-turn, and this is the first one. Here we made another sharp turn again. We go up a little bit more, and I thought, well, after this hill, the first hill that everyone talks about, will be home free. Well, I was definitely wrong. There are a few more hills and turns in the last couple of miles. I didn't get the footage, so I cannot show you. I definitely did not do very well in the last 2 miles. It's so nice to get a little downhill, and at this point I'm feeling really well. This is just a little before the first mile mark, and I am accelerating a little, I'm pushing a little harder, I'm catching a few runners, and I think I can finish strong at this point. First mile mark at about 6:35, 6:36. I was hoping to be a little faster, but I heard about the first hill, so I'm happy with the pace. And I am speeding up a little now that we have some more downhill. Downhill and a sharp left turn on gravel. This is definitely not very fun. am still feeling really well at this point. I'm catching a few more runners. My target is set on the junior young runner in yellow. I actually caught up to him for a while and I passed him for a while, but you know, he passed me after 2.5 miles or so and just never looked back. About sitting behind this blue runner or dark blue black runner for a while, but I was feeling so good, so I decided to pass him. But in hindsight, I probably should have sit on him a little longer. Well, finally I passed the very good young runner in yellow, but this probably is the only few seconds that I was ahead of him. Unfortunately, my camera stopped at 10-minute mark and I ran out of battery, so I couldn't get more footage until the end. But definitely more turns, more hills, and I suffered.
Yeah.
Instead of running like a 720.
Yes. Well, the course, the weather was good.
Perfect.
The course, the left turn initially,
Yeah.
that was the problem.
Yeah. You see all these runners and
Yes.
well, I think that's what mentally got me.
Yes.
Tokyo.
Yeah.
Was
You already lost your time.
Everything was fine.
Yeah.
But I don't know if they put you with the correct.
Well,
Because Chicago, when I ran Chicago, I felt like I was with the 325.
You were the same place, yes.
No, we were with the 325, but we were running like a 315.
Well, people start faster than they should.
And in Tokyo, I was like this. Because I didn't want to fall.
Yes.
So my head was like, don't trip, don't trip.
Don't trick, yes.
My fellow club runner Nancy, very strong runner, she just finished a couple of seconds ahead of me, and it turned out that both of us ran Tokyo, and she had a really good time. So we're just talking a little bit about our experiences in Tokyo, and now we're heading back to find our other fellow club runners. My trip time is right at 27 minutes, and I think if I didn't make the wrong turn, I would have broken maybe 27. Overall, still a very good race.